Hey friends, who's hungry? Easy Turkey Pumpkin Black Bean Chili is the perfect chili for fall. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large stock pot over medium heat. Add 1 medium diced onion and 1 medium diced yellow bell pepper. Saute for about 8 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Then add 3 cloves of minced garlic and saute for another 30 seconds. Season the vegetables with 1½ teaspoons of chili powder, 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin, and 1½ teaspoons of dried oregano. Then add 1 can of rinsed and drained black beans, 1 can of pumpkin puree, 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and 2½ cups of cooked and shredded turkey meat. Finally, add 2 cups of beef broth. Bring the broth to a simmer over medium heat, then cover the pot and simmer the chili for 1 hour. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Ladle the chili into individual bowls and serve with your favorite toppings. Follow me for more recipes.